Hi, this is Dr. Reeves, and we're going to start working on subtracting using base numbers. And what you need to have prior to this is conversion of base numbers. Let's talk about subtraction first. If I take 25 and I subtract 16, in order to subtract I have to borrow. So to borrow, I'm going to borrow one whole group of 10, so that gives me 15 minus 6, which is 9, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so I would just say 9. When we're borrowing base numbers, we have to borrow the base. Let's look at 3, 2, base 5, minus 2, 4, base 5. Prior to subtracting, when I say 2 minus 4, I can't subtract, so I have to borrow, but it's a base 5. So when I borrow, I'm borrowing 5 units. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. That makes this here a 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So 3, 2 base 5 minus 2, 4 base 5 is 3 base 5. Let's look at another one. 3, 5, 3, base 6, minus 2, 4, 4, base 6. Now I want to make sure I keep what a base 6 looks like. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Subtracting 3 minus 4, I'm going to have to borrow. But this time I'm going to borrow 6 because my base is a base of 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and 9 minus 4 is 5. Now when I borrowed from the 5, that made it a 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3, 5, 3 base 6 minus 2, 4, 4 base 6 is 105 base 6. Let's look at 3, 3, 8, base 9, minus 2, 7, 4, base 9. Now to base 9, my symbols will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. And 3 minus 7 I can't do, so I'm going to borrow. And when I borrow, I'm borrowing a group of 9. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Now 12 minus 7 is 5. So 3, 3, 8 base 9 minus 2, 7, 4 base 9 is 5, 4 base 9. Let's try a little bit more of a challenge problem. Let's go to a base 12, A, 3, B, 3, 12, minus 2, 1, B, 4, base 12. Again, I'm going to go ahead and write out my base 12 so I know what it looks like. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now A is 10 and B is 11. So 3 minus 4 I can't do, so I'm going to have to borrow. And I'm going to switch out here so I have a different color. When I borrow here, I'm going to change this B down 1, which is A. And I borrowed 12 units. So 12 plus 3 is 15. Now 15 minus 4 is 11, and an 11 is a B. Now here I have A minus B, so I'm going to have to borrow. When I borrow, I'm going to take that down to a 2. And when I borrow, I have 12, and A represents 10, so this is actually 22. 22 minus my B, the value of B is an 11, so 22 minus 11 is 11, and my symbol for 11 is a B. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. In A, which represents the value 10, minus 2 is 8. So A3, B3 minus 2, 1, B4 is 8, 1, BB, base 12. Okay, thank you.